What is up, guys? It's your boy Rexy and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys a method you can go and use and make at least $1,000 with 100% free traffic. So all you're going to do is you're going to go and pay very close attention to this method I'm going to be showing you guys. You're going to take action on this method. You can go and earn some extra money very fast online. So I use this particular method. I've earned a lot of money online. I'm going to show you guys exactly where you can go and implement right today and start earning money on Clickbank for 100% free. So you don't need any investment to go and get started with this method. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and take action on this method before you're going to start getting some result with this 100% free method right here. So the method I'm going to show you guys is a method you can make up to $1,000 plus fast using 100% free traffic. So this method works worldwide, so you don't have any excuse not to go and take action on this particular method right here. So you can go and promote products in other affiliate networks using this particular method I'm going to show you right here. So you can go and promote products, for example, in Digital 24 using this exam method I'm going to show you right here, and it's also very newbie friendly, so anybody can go and take action on this and get results. So the most important part about this particular method is taking action, guys. If you are not going to take any action, you're not going to see any results. So I recommend is that you go and choose one of these methods that I'll show you guys on this channel. You're going to take action on one method consistently until you start getting the results before you can go to the next method. So that's, guys, be sure to pay very close attention. Stay right to the end of the video. I'm going to show you guys all the steps that I'm going to go and implement properly to start earning money very fast using this exact method right here. So that's, guys, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you're going to get notified when I post new videos that can help you guys start earning some extra money online. Start posting new videos every day. They're going to go and work on any of these methods consistently. You're going to start earning some extra money online. So if I go, for example, to the last video, you're going to see how many people are taking action on these different methods. Many of them are implementing this method, and the people that are implementing this method are earning some extra money online. So I just go, for example, to the comments. You're going to see how people are making money using this exact methods right here. So that's, guys, so all you're going to do is that you're going to take action on one method consistently until you start getting some sales. Also, guys, if you want to learn the step-by-step method I'm using to make money on Clickbank consistently, be sure to click the first link in the description. I'm going to show you guys the exact method I'm using to make money consistently on Clickbank that many other students are already using, and they're already getting results using this method right here. So the training has free traffic training and also has done for you campaigns that can just go and copy and paste and start running and start earning some extra money very fast on Clickbank. So that's, guys, so let's get into this video. Let me show you guys exactly what we're going to do to start earning some extra money very fast, as many of our subscribers are already taking action on these different methods and are earning money on Clickbank for 100% free. So let's get into the video, guys. Okay, guys, so let's get into the video. Let me show you guys exactly what you're going to do from here to start earning some extra money fast using this exact method right here. So the first step is you're going to go to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. You're going to go and choose an offer that's converting very well. So with this particular method, I'm going to show you guys some products that I can go and promote and earn a lot of money from using this exact method right here. So I'm just going to scroll down here, and what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to go to Home and Garden. So I'm click on Home and Garden. So I go to Home and Garden, you're going to find a lot of products right here. If you go and search, for example, by Gravity, you're going to find a lot of products that are converting very well right here. So you can see, for example, there's woodworking. So this one is converting very well right now. So you're going to promote, for example, these are all woodworking products right here. So you can see this one, machete plants, it's a woodworking product. So woodworking products are converting very well on Clickbank. So this is another woodworking product as well, and there are many of them right here that you can go and promote as well. So what you're going to do for me is that we're going to go and choose this particular product right here. That's working. It has been selling for a very long time on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace, and it's still converting very well. I can see you can go and earn up to $54 per sale. I can see there's also a lot of rebates. You can go and earn up to $127 in rebates just from one customer promoting this particular product right here. So one of the main advantage of promoting this particular product is that it also has very low refunds. So you're going to promote this product and make sales, you're going to have very low refunds, and the gravity is also very high. So other affiliates are promoting this and they're also getting a lot of sales. So what I'm going to do for me is I'm going to go to the sales page. You can go and check out this particular product right here. I can also go and promote any other woodworking products using this exact method I'm going to show you right here. So I'm going to go to the sales page. I can see it's a very simple sales page right, and it's a video sales page, and it tends to convert very well. So I'm going to go to the affiliate tools area as well. I can go and find a lot of tools I can go and use and promote this particular offer right here. So you can see you can earn up to $225 per sale promoting this particular product right here. So what I'm going to do for me is I'm going to show you guys how you can go and earn a lot of money promoting these woodworking products for 100% free. So you go there and go to find a lot more information about this particular product, and this is very important, guys. So make sure that the product you're promoting has very low refund rates, because if you're going to promote a product that has high refund rates, you're going to make a lot of sales, but they're going to refund and you're going to be wasting your time and you're not going to be earning any money. So let's scroll down here. We're going to go to the affiliate tools area. So let's click on this. It's going to show us a lot of tools that can go and use and promote this particular product right here. So you can see there are a lot of tools that can go and use from here. So I'm going to do next that I'm going to go and show you the free traffic that you're going to go and use to get a lot of targeted traffic. I'm going to show you guys exactly going to go and implement this method to start earning the highest amount of money with 100% free traffic. So be sure to pay very close attention as I'm going to show you guys exactly what we're going to do to earn a lot of money promoting these woodworking products on Clickbank. So the first thing you're going to do for me is we're going to go and create a very simple landing page for 100% free. So you're going to go to Google and you're going to type Launchaco. You're going to find this particular website. It's called launchaco.com, and it's a website that can go and create very simple landing pages for 100% free. So I'm going to go to your website. I'm going to show you guys how to go and create a very simple landing page, and this is for free, so you don't need any money to go and create a landing page using this particular service right here. So you can see this is a simple landing page I created using this particular software right here. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm just going to go and add another one. So you can see there's a free plan. So you can go and join the premium plan, but we don't need the premium plan. You can go and get started with the 100% free plan right here. So I'm just going to go and click and create another landing page from here. So for example, tells me working. And from here, I'm just going to go and choose, for example, web app. So let me just choose web app, and I'm just going to select any style from here. So it doesn't matter. I'm just going to select any fonts. And that's guys, I'm going to be able to create a very simple landing page right here. So let me show you guys how you can go and create this right here. So we can also go and input a logo right here. So I'm just going to leave it like this, and I can just go and write a simple description of my affiliate products right here. So I'm just going to go and write the heading. So I'm just going to go and write the heading right here. So I'm just going to write, for example, so let me go to the sales page of the product, 16 woodworking plans. So let me write, for example, get access to 16,000 woodworking plans. So that's how easy it is for you to go and create a simple landing page using this particular software right here. So all you're going to do next, you're going to go and choose a subheading. So I'm going to input a subheading right here. It's going to be written right here. So for this example, I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm just going to leave this as my subheading. So you can go and choose the background as well. So you can see the color. You can go and change the color of the landing page. So this is very easy, guys. So I'm just going to leave it as blue right here. So from here, you can go and input an image right here. So for this example, I'm just going to go to the affiliate tools area, and I'm just going to go and download one of these images. So let me just download this one. So let me download this other image right here, and I'm just going to go and upload it as on my landing page. So let me save this particular image, and that's it, guys. I'm just going to go and upload this right here. So let me click on browse and upload this image right here. So that's it, guys. I've uploaded the image right here, and it's going to show right here on this place right here. So you can see it's a very simple landing page. So I'm going to do next. You're going to go and click on next. It's going to give you an option to change the call to action button. So this is the call to action button right here. I can go and change, for example, get started now. You can go and write, for example, get instant access. So let me write, for example, get instant. So that's, guys, what you're going to do next. You're going to go and input your affiliate link right here. So you're going to go to the affiliate marketplace. You're going to go and click on promote, and you're going to go and get your affiliate link right here. So input your affiliate ID. I can write a tracking ID, for example, free. I'm just going to go and click on generate hub links, and that's, guys, I'm just going to copy and paste it on my landing page. So let me go and input this right here, and that's it, guys. You're just going to go and click on finish. So click on finish, and that's it. You're going to go and publish your landing page right here. So it's very easy to go and create a landing page, and this is a 100% free software right here. So what we're going to do next, we're going to go and click right here, click on publish website. And as you guys, the website is going to be published. So for this example, I'm just going to go and log into my account, and it's 100% free to go and publish this particular page right here. So that's, guys, so I've logged into my account. I can see right here, this is my subdomain right here. So I'm just going to go and click on publish. And as you guys, my landing page is published, and I can go and use this particular landing page and promote my affiliate offer for free. So let me click on this link, testworking.launchaco.com. So let me click on this link. It's going to take you back to this simple landing page I've just created right here with a call to action button. So anybody click on this link right here, it's going to take them back to our affiliate offer, and if you buy from here, we're going to go and start getting some sales. So that's, guys, very easy to go and use this particular software to create your landing pages for free. So we're going to do next is that we're going to go and send a lot of targeted traffic back to this affiliate offer to start earning a lot of money. And so I'm going to show you guys step by step from here. So we're going to do next, they're going to go and promote this on Pinterest, guys. So I'm going to go and show you how I can go and get a lot of targeted free traffic and promote this on Pinterest. So consider you have just typed woodworking. I can find a lot of pins on woodworking on Pinterest, guys. So woodworking, you have the best news I can go and promote on Pinterest and get a lot of targeted traffic and get a lot of sales. So be sure to pay very close attention because I'm going to show you guys how you can go and get a lot of targeted traffic very fast using video pins. So video pins get a lot more traffic on Pinterest, and I'm going to show you guys where you can go and get these video pins for free and post them on Pinterest and get a lot of targeted traffic and you can go and get a lot of sales. So video pins get a lot of traffic, and many people don't know about this particular opportunity, and this is a very huge opportunity I can go and take advantage of right now. You can go and get a lot of targeted traffic for 100% free, as I'm going to show you in this particular video. So pay very close attention right here. So you're going to do this, you're going to go and create a Pinterest account, and you're going to go and create a lot of pins and promote your own affiliate offers. I'm going to show you right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and post a lot of video pins on Pinterest. As you can see, Pinterest is getting a lot of targeted traffic. So it goes, for example, similar web, you can see right here, Pinterest is getting up to 1 billion visitors, guys. So it's getting around 800 million visitors per month. I can see right now it's moved up to 1 billion visitors. So you can see that the traffic is only increasing on Pinterest. I can go and take advantage of this particular opportunity right now. I can go and get a lot of targeted traffic and a lot of sales. So you can see right here, majority of the traffic is coming from the United States. So there's a very huge opportunity for you to go and make money from using Pinterest right here. So you're going to do is you're going to go to Pinterest and going to go and create an account in the woodworking niche. So the first step, go and create an account in the woodworking niche. And next, you're going to go and create a lot of pins and posts on your Pinterest account to go and get a lot of targeted traffic from Pinterest. So I'm going to show you guys how you can go and get all these contents for 100% free, post it on Pinterest and get a lot of sales. So once I've done the first step of creating a Pinterest account, what you're going to do next, they're going to go to Instagram. So once you go to Instagram.com, you're going to go and find a lot of posts that you can go and take and post on Pinterest and get a lot of free traffic. So what you're going to do is that since we're promoting woodworking products, what you're going to do is you're going to type, for example, woodworking. So let's type woodworking. For example, woodworking videos. It's going to show you a lot of videos. You can see right here there are a lot of accounts woodworking videos. So let me click on this one. I can also click, for example, on the hashtag. It's going to show you a lot of accounts that are promoting woodworking videos on Instagram. They can go and download them and post them back on Pinterest. So you can see right here, as I've shown you guys, so you can see this video right here has up to 32,000 views on Instagram right here. So all you're going to do is I can just go and download this and post it back on Pinterest. I can go and get a lot of targeted traffic. I can go and get a lot of sales, guys. So you're going to follow what I'm going to show you guys in this particular video right here. So these are a lot of videos. So let's go to this other account. So you can see this one, some woodworking videos. So you can see right here, yes, a lot of videos. I can see some of the videos are performing very well. So what you're going to do is you're just going to go and download this and you're going to go and post them on Pinterest. You're going to go and get a lot of traffic. So you can see that some of the videos are getting a lot of traffic. So you can see this one, 24,000 views, the one 42,000 views, this one 8,000 views, 41,000 views. So what you're going to do next, they're going to go and download all these videos. So let me check this other account. So let me check this one. So this one is not relevant, so they're not posting a lot of woodworking videos right here. So what you're going to do is I'm going to go to GramSafe. So let me show you guys what you're going to go and do to go and download these videos very easily. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Google, you're going to go and type this GramSafe. It's going to enable you to go and download all these videos for 100% free from Instagram, and you can go and upload it back on Pinterest. So once you go to gramsafe.com, what you're going to do is you're just going to go to the video you want to go and download. So let me click on this one. So let me say I want to download this other video that's getting a lot of engagement. So let me open this one. I can click on this video, and I'm just going to go to my URL bar, and I'm just going to go and copy the URL of this particular image right here. I'm going to go and paste it on GramSafe. So let me paste it right here, and as you click on download, and as guys is going to enable you to go and download this video. So that's the first step. We're going to go and click on download, and as you guys, the video is going to be downloaded. So let me just save this. Let me save this to my computer. And as you guys, the video has been saved. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to go to Pinterest, and I'm just going to go and upload this on Pinterest and promoting my affiliate offer using this simple landing page that I've shown you guys how to go and create for 100% free right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Pinterest, you're going to go and click on create pin. So let me show you guys an example. And before I show you guys how I can go and create a pin, if I just have, for example, working plans, you're going to find a lot of pins from here. And if you go and click on any of these ones, you can go and find a lot of products promoting that different products right. So you can see this one, 30% off discount. So they're promoting that woodworking products right here. So let me click on this one, for example. So it's going to take me to a website that someone is promoting a woodworking product right here. So many people are using this exact method already, and I'm making a lot of money from here. So you can see this is a woodworking post right here. It's all about woodworking, and these people are selling their own products as well. So let me see this one. So I sign up here. So let me click on this one. You can see this person is going to be selling me a woodworking product right here. So let me just sign in here. So let me just input this a random name from here for this example. I click on subscribe, and let me see where it's going to take me to. So you can see right here, it's going to take me to a sales page. So this person is selling a product right here. So you can go and do the same, and you can go and get a lot of targeted traffic. So many people are using this exact method because they're getting a lot of results from Pinterest. Are you going to go and pay close attention and take action on this as well? You can also go and earn a lot of money very fast. So what you're going to do from here is that you're just going to go and click on create. So let's click on create and create a pin. So let's click on create a pin. And that's it, guys. We're just going to go and upload that video and leave call to action back to our affiliate landing page. So let me click on upload. And that's it, guys. I'm just going to go and upload this right here. And that's it, guys. We're just going to go and input the title right here. So that, for example, get access to. So that's it, guys. You can just write a simple headline like this. So let me just write this one. So let me just leave it like this. I can just go and write a simple description. I can also go and add tags, guys. So you can go and add tags, for example, woodworking. So let's have, for example, home and decor. So you can go and see right here, woodworking. That's it, guys. You can just go and add multiple tags right here. For this example, I'm just going to go and leave it like this. And this is very important, the destination link. So the destination link is going to be the link back to your affiliate landing page right here. So let's copy this. I'm going to go and input it right here. So let's input it right here as our destination link. So what you're going to do next, you're going to go and write a simple description right here. So you can just write, for example, get instant access. So that's, guys, you can just write a simple description like this. I can just go and publish this on any board from here. So for this example, I'm just going to publish it on any board. I'm going to publish, I can go and get a lot of targeted traffic from here. So you're going to do that, you're just going to go and create, for example, woodworking board. You're going to go and publish on the woodworking board, for example. And that's, guys, going to publish, I can go and get a lot of targeted traffic from these pins, because pins are going to get a lot of traffic on Pinterest down images. So let's click on see our pin, and that's, guys, that's going to be our pin right here. So that's, guys, so what you're going to do is that the more pins you're going to go and publish, the more traffic you're going to get, and the more sales you can go and get from here. So you can see right here, anybody can go and click on this link. So anybody click on this link right here, it's going to take them back to our affiliate landing page. That if they click on from the landing page, that is going to take them back to our affiliate offer, and that's how we're going to be making sales right here. So this is a very easy method. You can go and implement right today. You can go and make money very fast. So you're going to follow all the steps I've shown you guys in this particular video. So you're going to do this, you're going to go to Instagram. You can go and find a lot of similar accounts like this that's going to have a lot of these videos. So let me click right here. You're going to go and find a lot more. So let's type, for example, woodworking. You type, for example, woodworking as well. You're going to go and find a lot more accounts that can go and get all these videos from here and post them on your own Instagram page, guys. So that's the implement you can go and use and implement right today. I can go and get a lot of targeted traffic. I can go and get a lot of sales. So we're going to take action on what I'm showing you guys today. So that's it, guys. So if you found value in this video, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so continue to make these videos that can help you guys start making some extra money online. And also want to learn the step-by-step method I'm using to make money on Clickbank consistently. Be sure to click first in the description. I'm going to show you guys the exact method I'm using to make money on Clickbank that many other students are using, and they're also getting a lot of results. So that's, guys, take action on this method, and I'll see you guys in the next video.